Innovation is a transformation and BEE consultancy. We handhold our clients through the entire BEE process to ensure that it flows smoothly, to ensure that we reduce as many hiccups and headaches as possible. We understand that for our clients, BEE is not their day-to-day focus, and it's not what they're good at, but we are. So we ensure that while we're helping them through this process, we not only remove bottlenecks, but we ensure that we find as many efficiencies in their business as possible. Oftentimes we're able to save our clients more than the cost of our fees just by restructuring the BEE scorecard. At BEE Innovation, we catalyze something in our clients' businesses called business evolution and expansion. By leveraging the appropriate pieces of transformation legislation, we find that we truly can help our clients' businesses evolve and expand. BEE Innovation was started in 2013, and since then we've grown to be South Africa's leading transformation and BEE consultancy. We focus on the skills development, legislation implementation, as well as employment equity and BEE. In 2018, the YES initiative was launched by the President, Cyril Ramaphosa, and the CEO of Investec. The YES initiative assists companies to improve their BEE scorecard by up to 2 levels by employing unemployed black youth. BEE Innovation has hosted a number of events around the country in partnership with YES, and to date has worked with 25% of the companies in the country who've successfully implemented the YES initiative and been able to achieve the 2-level increase on their BEE scorecards. In nature, evolution progresses by survival of the fittest. In the South African context, survival of the fittest is whichever business can best leverage governance legislation to its advantage. Instead of treating BEE like a tick box exercise, our clients who embrace the legislation and implement it holistically in their businesses are able to achieve far better profitability over the long term. In my pilot training, one of the things I learned is that an aircraft can't fly without integrating different parts effectively. Business is no different. When BEE legislation is integrated into your business truly can soar. Much like the different parts of an aircraft keep a heavier-than-air vehicle able to stay airborne for extended periods of time, integrating your BEE legislation into your business strategy will ensure that you can keep your business safely airborne and profitable.